Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can create custom events in Google Analytics 4. So for that you need to open up Google Analytics, and this is the home page. And in order to create custom events, you need to click on this option of admin on the bottom left hand side corner. After that you will be able to see this section called events over here. Just click on it, then click on create event, and after that you can just choose the name of that particular custom event and specify the parameter for that particular event and choose the rest of the options in order to create a custom event. And if you want to create custom dimension or custom metrics, so for that you need to scroll down a little and you will see this option of custom definitions. Just click over here, and after that if you want to create custom dimensions, just click on custom dimensions. And if you want to create custom metrics, just click over here and then click on create custom metrics. After that provide the name of that particular metric, choose the scope of it, then add description, and after that you need to provide the event parameter and how you want this particular event to be measured. For that you need to choose the unit of measurement. And this is how you create custom events on Google Analytics. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.